Hi, everybody. I'm Virginia Stallworth. I'm the Executive Director of the Memphis Child Advocacy Center. At the Memphis CAC, we work towards safety, healing, and justice for victimized kids. The majority of the kids who receive therapy at our center have disclosed sexual abuse. Some have been physically abused, and others have witnessed homicide. All traumas no child should ever have to face. At the Memphis CAC, 4 master's level therapists, including a Spanish-speaking therapist, provide evidence-based therapy, including trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy and EMDR. We know firsthand the resiliency of our kids when we can provide the right kind of compassionate and professional support. That's what happens every day at the Memphis Child Advocacy Center. Our therapy services are provided to children aged 3 to 17, and the median age is typically a 10-year-old. Last year, 76% were girls and 64% were African American. In the early days of the pandemic, therapy was provided via telehealth. We are an essential service provider and a first responder agency. We have maintained that telehealth option on a limited basis since then, when it makes therapy more accessible for families. So far this year, 92% of therapy sessions were in person and 8% were telehealth. Last year, over half the children that we saw presented with PTSD symptoms. Evaluation results analyzed by the University of Memphis School of Public Health indicate statistically significant reduction in symptoms in kids when they complete therapy. I want to share a quick story from some years ago. I was in line at a Wendy's fast food restaurant, and I was wearing my CAC branded polo shirt. And I'm just standing in line trying to figure out what I'm going to order, and this woman just rushes over to me, envelops me in a hug, and thanks me. Now, mind you, I'm a development person at the time, so I don't have the first-hand experience with the clients. It was a notable experience for me personally. And she told me, my child was served at the Child Advocacy Center. Y'all helped her, and today she is happy, she is laughing, she is taking piano lessons, and she's doing good in school. That's success, right? So our tagline at the Memphis CAC is, we help victims become children again, and that is exactly what happened for this young girl and happens for so many others who come through the doors of our center. I want to share that our funding request for therapy, thank you.